viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an origami fish. And if you turn over, here's this part, and here are the fins. Take an origami sheet of paper, any color you want, and fold this in half. Unfold, rotate, and fold in half in this direction. Now take this flap you can see here and fold this all the way to the top. Turn over and fold this up. And if you if you put it up, then you can see there's this flap in here. But if you're looking away middle, there's this little pocket here. Just open it and squash it. So now you have the water bomb base. Now just turn over. This depends on this part. Depends how you want this part to be. So just kind of just fiddle with this stuff and just try and make the thing look good. So then here's the tail. Now this part is optional, but if you want this part to be curved a bit, then just kind of lift one part up and same thing on this side and just flatten it here and here. And turn over and just pull this up. So now you can see it's a bit curved now. Now just try and make this part look good. Now just do the same on the other side. And then turn over and take some permanent marker or pen and make an eye. And then make some gills as well. And then if you want, you can also make a face as well. And then your fish is ready.